Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on the mastering version of Planet Venus Audio Technology Spectral Coherence Control, or SCCM. In this video, we'll guide you through SCCM's unique features, demonstrate its user interface, and provide detailed steps to help you achieve exceptional results in your mastering workflow. So what makes SCCM unique? The mastering version of Spectral Coherence Control is not just another noise reduction plugin. It is specifically designed to address the often overlooked low-energy noise and subtle distortion artifacts introduced during recording and mixing. While traditional noise reduction plugins focus on eliminating audible clicks, hiss, hum, or overloads, SCCM employs a patented algorithm to automatically detect and reduce non-musical elements and low-volume distortion. These artifacts arise from the complex mathematical processing in digital audio workstations when mixing dozens or even hundreds of channels down to stereo or surround sound formats. Why is this important? By cleaning up these artifacts using SCCM prior to your gain processing stage in your mastering workflow, you can significantly improve sonic clarity, detail, and intelligibility, enhance coherence, resulting in a more natural and musical output, reduce listening fatigue, and deliver a final product that not only impresses your clients, but also sets you apart from other engineers in the competitive world of audio mastering. User interface overviews, core features and controls. SCCM's interface has been designed to offer precision and flexibility while remaining intuitive for professional users. The Global Parameters section. At the heart of SCCM are 5 global parameters, which influence the overall sound of the processed audio. The separation parameter controls the distinctness of individual sounds within the mix. Values of less than 1 are recommended. Lower values equal increased separation, making each sound more distinct. Higher values equal reduced separation, creating a more blended soundscape. The resolution parameter adjusts the detail and clarity of low-level audio information. Lower values offer reduced resolution with less fine detail. Higher values offer enhanced resolution, capturing more intricate sonic nuances. Reference level sets the threshold for processing. Lower levels apply more processing, targeting deeper distortions. Higher levels reduce the processing effect for a more subtle touch. The coherence parameter balances clarity and smoothness in the audio. Positive values enhance clarity and definition. Negative values blend elements for a smoother, less distinct output. The gain parameter compensates for any perceived volume change after distortion removal, ensuring consistent output level. Frequency bands. SCCM divides the frequency spectrum into 6 bands, allowing targeted control over specific areas of the audio. For each band, you can adjust span, a by-band alteration of the overall reference level, when more or less processing is desired in some bands as compared to others. Coherence fine-tunes the clarity or blended within the selected band. This approach enables precise adjustment to areas like the low end, mids, or high frequencies without affecting the rest of the spectrum. Understanding the user interface. Adjustable parameters. Parameters available for editing are displayed in white text. Inactive or unavailable parameters are grayed out. The FFT display. The user interface provides real-time visual feedback through color-coded buttons and FFT plots. The white plot displays the characteristics of the original unprocessed audio when the original button is active. The yellow plot shows the distortion and noise removed by SCCM when the remove button is active. Note that the 6.0 text next to the yellow remove button indicates that plus 6 dB of gain is added to the noise you are listening to. Gain is added to the distortion you are hearing to enable easier fine-tuning. This value can be adjusted to 0. The green plot represents the processed audio output, reflecting the changes made by SCCM when the processed button is active. These visual tools help you analyze and fine-tune the audio with precision. The preset library. To streamline your workflow, SCC M includes a comprehensive library of over 40 preset files. Each preset is tailored for a specific type of distortion compensation, such as analog warmth, dense mix, thick vocals, muddy low end, and forward mid treble. How to use presets effectively. Select an appropriate starting point preset based on the type of processing you need. Use the Remove button to listen to the distortion being extracted by your selected preset. Quickly compare multiple presets to find the most suitable one for your track. Fine-tune global and band-specific parameters to customize the processing further. Optimal SCC M workflow. Start with presets. Use the Removed mode to analyze the artifacts being extracted. Focus on minimizing any desired audio components in the removed signal. Adjust global parameters. Explore the 5 global parameters systematically to understand their impact. Lower separation for more distinct elements. Higher resolution for more increased detail. Adjust the reference level for optimal artifact removal. Set coherence for clarity or blended. Use gain for volume consistency. Fine-tune band parameters. Adjust the span and coherence values for individual frequency bands. Keep band-to-band adjustments small, about a half a unit, to ensure smooth transitions and avoid unwanted artifacts. Option plus click on the power icons to solo bands. Allow time for adjustments to take effect. After making changes, it may take a few seconds for the digital processing to stabilize and for your ears to acclimate to the new sound. Toggle between modes. Use the removed and processed modes to compare the distortion being extracted and the final output. This ensures your adjustments are achieving the desired result. Pro tips for a better experience. Begin by listening to what's being removed. Avoid jumping straight to the processed output. Understanding what SCC M is removing helps you make more informed adjustments. Adjust one parameter at a time. This methodical approach lets you hear the specific impact of each parameter. Perceive volume changes. Removing distortion often reveals transients and increases dynamic range. Use the gain parameter to adjust perceived loudness as needed. Solo bands. Option plus click on the power icons to solo one or more frequency bands. Compatibility. SCC M is an AU and VST3 plugin for Apple Macintosh. It works in stereo, mono, and multi-channel configurations on most popular digital audio workstations. Its performance and channel count scales with your system's processor and RAM, allowing flexibility across different mastering setups. With SCC M, you have a powerful tool to elevate your mastering projects, delivering clarity, depth, and distinction to every track. We invite you to explore the possibilities by trying SCC M for 14 days and make your master stand out by visiting the link in the description text below.